Hello and welcome back. Today I wanted to show you my Ricohflex. I recently acquired it at an antique shop in Roanoke, Virginia. This video is just going to be showcasing me testing the shutter, opening the inside, where the film is loaded and whatnot. This camera is actually in pretty great condition, and I recently just received my first roll of film back on it. There was some light leaks, and I think I know what the cause is, and I will point it out later in the video. Like most medium formats, you need to pull out the film winder in order to take out the loading gear. I'm moving this spool over to act as my receiving spool in the future for when I reload this camera. I love the blue thread that lines the inside of the camera. Notice while shooting this camera, it's really easy to accidentally undo the latch on the bottom, which may be the reason why there were so many light leaks on the first roll, and the back is slightly loose. Of course, with any camera I get, I love to test out the shutter before I purchase it. I did notice that the 100 speed was a little bit slow, but the film that I have taken so far has not come out too badly. I'll just have to keep this in mind as a unique quirk of this camera. Another tricky spot is the 10 speed. It seems to get stuck after a certain amount of time, so I will be not using the shutter speed so I don't damage the shutter. Love that this camera also has a timer, so I'll probably be using it to take some portraits of myself. The viewfinder is in amazing condition, and luckily I also got the magnifying portion of this camera still intact. It is a little difficult to focus this camera as I think the lenses need a little TLC, but overall I think this camera is an amazing addition to my collection. Let me know your thoughts down below.